parents have a huge concern if my ward is preparing with the basic school curriculum. If the child is in state board, CBSE or ICSE, is that sufficient to prepare for Olympiad, or do I need to extra time and help my ward prepare for these Olympiad exams? Now, the very important thing that you must understand here is conceptual clarity. If the ward has a good conceptual clarity, then definitely it is not beyond your school curriculum. That is one thing. The second important thing is practice. Now, more you practice, the better it is. For practice, we do recommend that the child must be able to solve questions on the various portals, various practice questions, the past papers, or whatsoever kind of questions that are asked. And another important criteria is speed. So let's do one thing. Let's say we are on this NSO level 1. Now here, a student needs to understand what kind of questions are asked. So most of the questions here include the past paper solutions as well. Students must be able to solve these questions within the stipulated time period. Two things become very important. One is the speed and other is the practice. Whatever board you belong to does not matter. If these two things are taken into right consideration, then you can prepare for it very well. And the same would run for your mathematics Olympiad as well as English Olympiad. So all the three, IMO, NSO and IEO, are available on the same portal. You can just go into the details, look and practice the questions. All the questions are available for free. The more you practice, the better insight your board gets about the kind of questions, but the conceptual clarity remains for the school board or the school curriculum level. The only thing is, if the child is able to have applicative aspects to understand and apply the concepts.